Healthy drinks to reduce belly fat. When we accumulate belly fat, we basically increase both subcutaneous and visceral fat. Subcutaneous is the overhanging belly that we can hold onto, while visceral fat is deep inside and fills the space between our organs in the abdominal space. Green tea. Its health quotient is well researched and documented. Its role in overall weight loss is also well researched. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, polyphenols. Catechins, especially EGCG's epigallocatechin gallate, has a strong positive correlation with fat oxidation in humans, even in the resting body. In one Chinese study, it was found that green tea helped with reduction in visceral fat. It also helps fill you up, preventing hunger pangs, thereby adding to reduced overall calorific intake. Cold winter days and a perfect warm cup of health. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is a spice endowed with a number of health benefits. It is very effective in controlling blood sugars and reducing insulin resistance. IR is one of the main causes of increased fat deposition in the abdomen. Cinnamon is useful for distressing, which in turn lowers the stress hormone cortisol. There is well-documented evidence that high cortisol levels support abdominal fat deposition and a craving for high-fat and sugar foods. Cinnamon is also a metabolism booster, has a sweetness and flavor, and is also very good for heart health. A well-researched spice that has been used for centuries for its health benefits. Having a cup of cinnamon tea will not only help with losing the extra fat, but also revving up your immune system. Perfect drink for winter health. Coffee. A recent study published on ResearchGate studied the participants for effect of continuous coffee consumption on body fat, especially visceral fat. They found that a moderate intake of coffee, 3 cups a day, showed a significant change in reduction of body fat, especially visceral fat. The polyphenols in coffee, chlorogenic acids, have been shown to reduce belly fat. There are a number of studies which have shown similar results. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural energy booster. But I repeat again that moderate intake is enough. 2 to 3 cups of black coffee without sugar is a good way to start the belly fat loss journey.